Which of the following is the largest moon in our solar system? Answer Ganymede. Which planet has the most extensive ring system? Answer Saturn. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Answer Mercury. What is the name of Earth's only natural satellite? Answer Moon. Which planet has the most moons? Answer Saturn. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Answer Mercury. Which moon is the only one in the solar system with a thick atmosphere? Answer Titan. Which planet rotates on its side with an extreme tilt? Answer Uranus.